Okay, as promised, I'm doing a transistor meter review. This one that I bought on eBay. Let's power it on. There is a nice logo, transistor tester version 2.1, measuring the battery, and now no unknown or damage because nothing is inside. And what else I can see? It's Fish 8840 model, and also written taobao.com. It's Fish 8840 taobao.com. Okay, so let's see if it is working okay, and which of the component I get error and not connect and not correct data. Okay, so first I'm putting in a capacitor. Value is 220 PAF. Okay, so let's hook it up and measure it. Okay, modified by someone modified the software for this one. Okay, so it says that the capacitor is between pin 1 and 3, which is correct, and it is given a nice figure of the capacitor with a value of 208 PAF, which seems to me okay. Let's try other parts. Let's try a bigger capacitor. I have here a 470 microfarad. Let's see how it will go with this one. Okay, so now I have testing, take time because it's calculate probably the tau. Okay, 446. This is a big error, and we lost, and also the ESR, which is a nice feature, very low ESR. I don't know if this is true or not. Okay, so now I will take a diode. Actually it is a LED. I have a RGB LED. Inserting, I can just insert 3 pins. Can't insert all the 4. This is disadvantage of this one. Powering it on, and we can see that it is lighting the LEDs. Testing, and we have 2 LEDs. The common pin is pin number 2. One of them is pin number 1 to 2 and 3 to 2, and we have the forward voltage of the LEDs, which can be because the different color have different forward voltage. Says 2 diodes. Let's maybe try to connect it to see also the blue LED. So I'm flipping it, powering again, on. Okay, let's see about. Okay, again. Looks okay. Now let's try a resistor. So I will put in a resistor, turn it on, testing. The resistor is probably 6.8 k ohms, and it's give 6,828. Now for this one, let's see what my fluke is saying, because of course I trust my fluke better than this one. And okay, it's a little different. 6.78. 6.78. Let's again see what we have here. 6.78, and here it's a different about 50 ohms difference. Of course, I assume that the flux is much more accurate. So I'm moving to the next one. I have here a MOSFET, which is IRFP 2907, which is power MOSFET, a very powerful MOSFET, which can hold current of 200 amps, and testing it. Okay, so actually it got that this is a MOSFET. And here I see a big problem. The problem here is we have the voltage threshold, which I know is okay because it's between 2 volt to 4 volt, so it can be. But the capacitance is saying that the capacitance is 26 nanofarad. But I know on the datasheet that the capacitance of this MOSFET is only 13 nanofarad. Let me check if I'm right. I'm almost sure that this is not the correct capacitance, because I've worked with this MOSFET and I'm right. The capacitance, the input capacitance, is 3 nanofarad. And we got not a correct answer for this one. Okay, let's put now a transistor, bipolarity transistor, which is BC640. Let's see what we get. This is a PNP, this is correct, and the pins are okay. The forward voltage is okay, and HFE is 84, which is also okay because it should be something around 100, and it depends on the temperature, so I guess this case. Let's take now, I have a Darlington transistor which is called TIP 127. Let's check the Darlington, which has usually a very huge DC amplification. And again we have an error. This is a PNP. I don't remember if this is a PNP. Let me check this one. Yes, this is a PNP, but definitely not one transistor. It has a protection diode, and the HFE is 43. Oh no. Oh no. Actually the DC gain is 1000. We have a big error in the calculation of this component, so we can't actually trust it. No way to trust it this way. I'm a little disappointed. Let's take another one, which is BDC 244C. BDC 244C. I'm sure this is something bipolar. Actually not remembering. Okay, it is showing HFE 177, PNP BJT. Let's check it. I don't remember. BD 244C. Let's see if I have the data sheet. BD 244C. Okay, I will search over it. Just a second. Oh no, found the data sheet. On the data sheet, the HFE of this one should be about 30, and now I get 170. What is going on with these guys? This fish babu is doing a little trouble to us. Okay, So we have to be careful when we are using these kinds of calculator, because they can have a lot of mistake, and we must be aware of this one. Okay, so basically I guess that most of the time it is okay, but some of the times we get a big error, and we have to be careful about what we are testing. Okay, thank you. Bye bye for now.